All right, today's selection is Unity from GT's. And of course, GT's has been my favorite up till I discovered Lionheart. But GT's is still second best, so everything they make is usually good. I've actually had this one before. It's a very unique flavor. It's very coconutish, but they also mix lemongrass and vanilla and cherry juice in. In fact, that's the ingredient list right there. But this one is just freaking bitchin', dude. It's just fucking great. Okay. And the artwork is cool, and I was supposed to have a guest here. Here he comes. Come on, Uncle Kurt. I'm reviewing without you. Here he comes. Anyways, let's give it a shot. Come on, fella. You can see the effervescent fizz coming off of there. Hopefully you can see that. Friend, would you like to would you like to chime in?
I would be happy to chime, friend.
What do you think about GT's?
I'm having GT Ginger Ale today with my friend Jesse Duplantis from, well, we won't mention from. And I'd like to say the Synergy Raw Ginger Ale with 9 billion living probiotics is a fine kombucha.
Yes, friend, it's one of my all-time favorites,
and
actually.
It's quite refreshing.
Yes.
Especially on a hot, beautiful Reading day. It's nice and cool over there in the shade.
Oh, man, that is epic, dude.
It looks good.
This flavor is really...
looks really good.
Dang good, friend. There you go, 2 classics right there. Yep, 2 classics. Kurt and Jesse and Unity and Ginger Ale.
And they're ice cold. So drink your hearts out, folks.
Yep, on a hot Reading day, what do you reckon it's 88?
84.
84.
86.
Sweltering in the heat. Nothing like one of these to refresh you.
Boy, you ain't kidding. Better than beer.
Yep, that's right.
It's true, too.
All right, let's read. Let's see what they have to say. Kombucha is our love song. Each ingredient a distinct note joins in harmony to nourish the mind, body, and soul. We offer this gift of unity to remind the world that there is more that brings us together than pulls us apart. We walk under the same sun. We fall asleep under the same sky. We drink from the same earth. We come into this life bound together, united through Mother Nature, so let's dance to our universal rhythms. Well, how about that, friend?
Well, friend, I got to say GT Living Foods is centered in Beverly Hills, so they're doing something right, fella.
Beverly Hills, California?
Beverly Hills.
Beverly Hills. Swimming pools and
movie stars. Y'all come back now, you hear?
Kinfolk said, Jed, move away from there. All right, Kombucha Corral. I think that's it.
Oh, wait, I got one more words of enlightenment. Energy flows where attention goes. Speak with your mind and heart. Nice truck.
Very nice. Okay.
Gorgeous.
So in signing off, I would say this one is fabulous. I definitely recommend it.
Excuse me.
There's no GTs that I don't recommend.
That's correct. And I second that denomination. Or, yeah. I also like that Chevy Z.